Hello everybody, and today we're going to do something special for Thomas the Tank Engine. He and his friends been doing so well, and also celebrate their 75th anniversary, and today we're going to tell about this remake of the Royal Engine. It was a bright morning day of the Island of Sodor. One day, there was something special about it. Thomas and the Royal Engine. Sir! What's wrong? Sir, we got this letter. Yep, what? This is a special one. It's from the Queen. The Queen? He comes, sir. This is the Topham Hat. I want you and your engine to London for tea time tomorrow. That tomorrow, I need to bring an engine with me. It's me. No, it's me. It's me. I think it's me. No, me. I want to meet the Queen. So there is Thomas the Tank Engine. What? Thomas? Hey everyone, I'm back. Sorry, Why are you looking at me? Am I like, Thomas, you're going with me to the mail and meet the Queen? Having a tea? Oh, really? Yep. Start up tomorrow. We'll leave out tomorrow morning. Okay, sir. Alright, I'm all ready. See you, Thomas. See you, everyone. Soon, Ivan. Going to the next half patrol. Which way can I go to meet the Queen? Is it left? I think it must be left. I don't know yet, but I have to go that way. For sure. Wait a minute. This job reminds me somewhere. I wonder where they're at. Who? Huh? Who goes there? Huh? Wait a minute, is that... Huh? Whoa! Thomas? Thomas, what are you doing here? My banner! Oh, what are you doing? I'm just going to see the Queen. The Queen. Really? Yeah, but we don't know where it is. I don't know anywhere. Thomas! Stop hanging around! And who's that? This is Beresford, the crane. Sorry about that. So, if you want to go, you have to take a left, right? Oh, left, right? No, left. Or is right? Right? No, left, right, left, right. Okay, thanks, Beresford. Don't forget left. Well, I hope you listen. Soon, I didn't listen, okay? Which way? I think it's left? It's right. I think it's right. Soon, do the Queen. Huh? I went the wrong way. Uh-oh. I'm lost. My other banner! Thomas, what's going on? Sorry, sir. I've been... Huh? Hey! Oops, sorry. Whatever happened to you? Sorry, we just got a minute. Thomas, you can go and I'll get my clothes to get clean. Okay. Soon I get to the water. Sorry, mate. Water all out. Oh, okay. Hey! What are you doing on my coach? What? Mike? This isn't... That... Nice try. That is my coach. Your coach? This isn't your coach. This is my coach. But that's what we expected. I'm not falling for your trick. This is my coach. Give it back. This is mine. No, it's mine. Give me that. Duchess? This is his coach. Your coach had been mended. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. What's your name? Duchess. My name is Duchess. Hi, Duchess. My name is Thomas. I'm the Duchess. I am the Queen of Duchess. Really? But you can call Thomas. But you can call me Thomas of Soda. Okay, Thomas of Soda. Oh, I had to go. See ya, Thomas of Soda. See ya, Duchess. Thomas? Why haven't clean? Sorry, sir. The water had been broken, so it can't be clean. Ah, that's okay, Thomas. At least I get my clothes clean. I'm getting ready to the tea party. But then there was a big mistake for the controller. Flying Scotsman coming through. Huh? Oh! Oh, we're going at 1 hour. We have to go. Come on, Tommy. But the fat controller had just left my fireman. Hey, wait up. Turn. Without my fireman, my driver had to drive and... Come on. Thomas, if we are making time... Oh, hello, Thomas Potato. Oh, hi, Justice. Too bad you meet the Queen. Thomas, come, but you left my fireman left behind on a rush. Oh. Uh-oh. Thomas, I'll be your fireman. Really, sir? Yep. Soon, the fat controller. Soon, we found the Duchess. What's wrong, Duchess? Oh, I broke a bird. Bird. Really? You have to go without me. Nope, I can't. I'll call you Thomas. We have to meet the Queen. I had to help an engine. Little engine can't do big things. Soon, I put my might and I got the Duchess. I did it. I did it. Soon, I have made it. Oh, thank you, Thomas of Soda. You're welcome, Duchess. Oh, we made it. Thomas, you just saved the Queen engine. Wait, Duchess is the Queen engine? But I mean, hello, Sir Topham. What happened? Well, we have some problem. My son, the big fat Thomas! So glad you're here. You go around the world and helping the firemen. when I grow up, I want to be a train driver just like you. Really? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Soon, the controller and the queen having their tea.